So the box of the Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 is quite similar to other accessories and ecosystem products by Xiaomi. We have the feature highlights at the front, specs at the back, and inside the box you get some documentation, a short USB Type-C cable, and the true wireless earphones inside. The case is minimal and non-glossy, and as a result will have less fingerprints on it. There is only one white color variant available for this device. This case has some sharp edges, so sliding it in and out of the pocket is not seamless at all. The case does seem a little bigger, but fits in the palm of the hand quite easily. On the other hand, the earbuds do not have an in-ear design. They just sit on the ears, but lack some sound isolation like those in-ear design earbuds. If the design was in fact in-ear, it would have less strain on the battery and also prevent it from falling. In this case, I found it much comfortable as well. The earbuds look little bulky at the stems, unlike the Apple AirPods. The case has a 250 mAh battery, and each earphone has 30 mAh battery inside it. The case takes about 40 to 45 minutes to charge completely. The case can charge the earbuds 3 to 4 times on a single charge, and the earbuds can last for up to 4 hours on a single charge. The case can be charged through USB Type-C, which is a great addition. The magnets that hold the case cover and earphones in place are strong and hold it very securely in place. The pairing is fairly easy, and especially on Xiaomi phones, you get a nice pairing animation along with an easy pairing process, which just requires you to press the pairing button for 2 seconds when asked to do so. After that, they auto-connect every time you open the case. The auto detection is a feature that you will use more than 10 times a day and still appreciate it the 11th time. There is only one sensor for wear detection, unlike the Apple AirPods, but they still work fairly well. There are touch controls available on the earbuds which do work fine. There is no single tap option, which is great as it reduces accidental touches. To pause or play any music, you can double tap on the left earbud, and to call the Google Assistant, double click on the right earbud. To receive calls, you can double tap on either of the earbuds, which is quite handy. The Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 are currently available at a price of Rs 4,499. Subscribe and stay tuned for the review as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you very soon.